Hey guys, I'm back with a new video on zero budget kitchen hack DIY tutorial. Each product which I have made is upcycled or you can say recycled from old kitchen items. Hope you enjoy it. Let's start then and see how to make this hanging shelf. For making this, you will require a cylindrical cardboard box. You can use a marker and a scale and draw lines as shown in the video. I had ordered few craft papers from Amazon and they came in this box. Now use a cutter and cut the box along the lines. Now put two dots at the edges on both the sides. Time to punch holes. Here I am using a metal folder ring for making the frame. The length of the rope which I am going to take is 60 cm. You can vary according to your requirement, but make sure that the rope is thick enough to hold the frame. Make the knot as shown in the video. Pass the two ends of the rope through the hole. Tie knots at the end. Make sure the size of the knot is bigger than the hole. You can see that the frame is ready and it is perfectly balanced. I'm gonna use white acrylic spray paint to color the inner surface. You can use normal color as well. Once the paint is all dried up, use some colorful sheet and glue to cover up the box. Your hanging shelf is ready, it's time to just use it. Next product is polybag dispenser. We all are always in need of organizing the polybags and the dustbin bags. Here is the idea. For this I'm going to use this Surf Excel box. Making two holes, one at the back side and one at the bottom. The back hole will be used for hanging the box and the lower bottom will be used for pulling down the polybags. Use few colorful sheets to cover up the box. Decorate it the way you want to. Your box is ready. You just need to put the poly bags from top of the box. My next DIY project is a wall clock. I have made this using a wooden chapati maker circular board which we call chakla in Hindi. So I had this board, a very old one, which one of the legs broken. So I just removed the legs and used this. You can also use any wooden plank. The first important thing is making a hole at the center before you start. Now use some fabric colors and paint the board. Next thing that I did is I took a printout of a beautiful Buddha's painting. I'll be using some Mod Podge and gluing this up to the board. You also need to put a good amount of Mod Podge over the painting. Last thing that I did was I removed the clock machine from an old clock and attached it to this board. My next DIY project is making a spice box. I have made this spice box from an old Cadbury tin box which most of us have at home. You can use any tin box. You need to have some Mod Podge and some colorful sheet which you are going to glue up to one side of the box. Complete the same process on all the sides of the box. After this, all you need to do is use some acrylic spray paint and just spray it over the lid of the box. Set aside the lid to dry for a day. Next, I drew some beautiful drawings over the lid box. This is something from the Chumbak's website. I took few small plastic boxes and arranged it inside the box. I'll be using these boxes for the spices. My last DIY project is a candle jar. I have made this from an old Nescafe bottle. You can use any glass jar for the same. Draw a heart over a sticker sheet. The design, put it over the glass jar. This is my second design. Spray the paint all over the glass jar and let it dry for a day. Finally, remove the sticker. This is how you are going to decorate it at the end. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Happy crafting!